Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter without cream. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need very cold whole milk, a stand mixer or blender, and a fine mesh sieve. Ensure your milk is well chilled for the best results. This simple technique allows you to create fresh, homemade butter, separating the milk fat from the buttermilk. It's a rewarding kitchen project that yields a versatile product. Once your cold whole milk is ready, pour it into your mixer or blender. Begin churning on a medium-high speed. Initially, the milk will become frothy, then it will thicken into whipped cream. Continue mixing past this stage. The fat globules will eventually clump together, separating from the liquid. This transformation takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your equipment. After churning, you'll see distinct yellow butter solids and a milky liquid. Carefully pour the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to separate the butter from the buttermilk. Save the buttermilk for baking or other recipes. Next, wash the butter thoroughly under cold running water, pressing out any remaining buttermilk. This step is crucial for extending your butter's shelf life and improving its flavor. Once washed, you can add salt to your butter if desired, usually about 1/4 teaspoon per stick. Mix it in thoroughly. Form your fresh butter into sticks or a block using parchment paper or molds. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, or freeze it for several months. This homemade butter is perfect for cooking or spreading. Check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.